Kuringana na minista wa hinya wa kuhuthika Davis Chilchil, ona gutuika gutiri kuramenyeka kiria giacungiririe thitima kũũra bũrũri wothe muthi wa Jumaa kiumia kihituku. Ũthuthuria ni hindi ũrathie na mbere na Akenya nĩmekũmenyithio ica ikuhĩ kiria kiahanikire.
Our technical teams are analyzing the data. I did mention that I've just stopped by Suswa. We are analyzing the timestamps, the system logs, to look at what happened exactly, because those logs are captured in almost milliseconds. There is an event log for every activity, major activity that happens.
Onetaririe kuria thina ucio wambiriirie ona gutuika thirikari ni ikoretwo yambikite mitaratara ya gutigirira thitima itirora thina wonyihu wa mwaki ungioneka.
A loss of our Turkana plant, which at that time was generating 270 megawatts, and which, when the loss happened, it triggered an imbalance in the power system and tripped all other main generations units and stations, leading to a total blackout on the grid.
Augite mihango ceceni-ini ya kuheana hinya wa mwaki wa thitima kuma ceceni ya Turkana ndiri iracokereria amu matangiamba gwetha kihonia ni thina ungicungiriria bũrũri wothe ure thitima makiria mahinda ria mweri umwe.
The system was basically securing itself by switching off, and sometimes it's better for the system to switch itself off than to burn down, because we could be talking about a situation where we don't have power for a whole, not 1 year, not 2 years. We need new investment to build the power. So that circuit breaker in your house, when it drips, you don't just go and return it. You try and find out what is the problem.
Arĩtie thutha wa kũgĩa na gĩikaro na endia maguta bũrũri-inĩ kwarĩrĩria mwerekero ũrĩa thirikari ĩkuoya thũgũrĩ-inĩ ya maguta na mabũrũri ma Kiarabu, na kana ngirimiti ĩrĩa thirikari ĩkoretwo nayo na mabũrũri macio nĩ gũthiĩ na mbere. Churchill akiuga rũhonge rũrũ nĩ rũkaheana anja wakana kiumia gĩkĩ.
It collects on average between 2.4 billion shillings of your money as Kenyans in those months. We have applied in this pricing cycle the stabilization fund to be able to cushion Kenyans, but we can only do this to the extent that the funds are available in that kitty, and that is
no ũiguano ũcio ũngeninwo. Akenya megutigwo matari na wiki tiga kwenjenjera mihuko yao makiria mungirimiti iria thirikari yekiranire na mabũrũri macio ni irateithagiriria gwikira ciringi ya Kenya hinya kiringithanio na dola riria maragura maguta. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jenga Wabui.